as the female entrepreneur po and the female manager of the farm, napaka-importante po ng role ng women in agriculture, especially in women in entrepreneurship. Napaka-crucial po ng role ng isang babae sa isang negosyo. Especially po, ang babae has a specific skills and knowledge and specific strength na meron sila if given the chance. And bibigyan lang po sila ng tamang support and environment. Most of our employees are women. So, isa po sa practice namin dito to acknowledge and to support the women. Pwede po nilang dalhin yung mga bata nila during work time. And we have provided spaces naman po ang activities for children habang nandito sila, habang nagtatrabaho ang mga nanay nila. Ang babae kasi, napakaraming role in life. And given the right support, given the right environment, malaki po ma-achieve ng bawat babae. And nowadays, women are thriving in entrepreneurship because women are creative. Women are powerful nowadays. And women have marami na po silang alam na gagawin na dati limited lang ang binibigay.
So, sa mga katrabaho ko, work hard and i-manage na lang ang pagtrabaho, although balaan tabudlay, pero sige lang, go lang.